Welcome to Traders Terminal. In our weekend intraday trading course, today we will learn intraday trading strategy using Supertrend. We will demonstrate this strategy using a live example. Also, it is crucial for you to watch this video till the very end to not miss onto the steps we have added in our strategy. Alright, let's begin. So first, what is Supertrend indicator? We won't get into the theoretical part much, but we need to have an overview of what is Supertrend indicator. So basically, Supertrend indicator is plotted over the price chart of the stock or the index. As we can see from the chart below, that the indicator line changes its colors between green and red based on the price movement in the underlying. Supertrend does not predict the direction, but rather confirms it. It uses ATR or average true range as part of its calculation, which takes into account the volatility of the market. The ATR is adjusted using the multiplier setting, which determines how sensitive the indicator is. We will not get into the theoretical part as there are many articles published on Google which you can easily search. Let's begin with our trading strategy using Supertrend indicator. So what should be the trade setup to use this intraday trading strategy? Let's have a look. Number 1. Trending stock. Trend following works best when there is a trend to follow. Hence, it is absolutely necessary to pick a trending stock for this intraday strategy. Alright, so to demonstrate which stock you should use in this particular trading strategy, we have taken two examples. First is Tech Mahindra and another one is Escorts. To determine the watchlist for this intraday strategy, we need to have a trending stock. So as we can see that Tech Mahindra on the daily charts has been trading in a flat range or a narrow range. So this is not a trending stock and hence it will not qualify in our watch list for this particular strategy. Now let's have a look at Escorts. Escorts on the daily chart has been showing a good trend as we can see, and above 680 odd levels it has given a good trend all the way to 900 levels. So for this intraday trading strategy, we should pick a stock which is trending. As we can see that between Tech Mahindra and Escorts, Escorts is the one which has been trending in a particular direction. So we will select Escorts to explain our intraday trading strategy using Supertrend. Alright, so the next setting that we need is Supertrend default setting of 7 period and 3 multiplier. We need volume weighted average price to reduce false signals. We need RSI for better entry points and to reduce false signals. And we use multiple time frames, a 5-minute chart for trend alert and a 3-minute chart for entry and exit points. So let's put the indicator necessary on our selected stock, that is Escorts. As we can see that we have taken a 5-minute chart on Escorts and we have plotted the necessary indicators required to explain this strategy. Supertrend 7 and 3, volume weighted average price and RSI. Alright, so before going into the details and the explanation of our intraday trading strategy using Supertrend, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for regular informative lessons on intraday trading. Now, we have divided our explanation into two parts. Number 1, selection process. For the selection process, we use 5-minute charts, and it is important to note that we only trade on the side of the trend. We ignore sell signals in upward trending stocks and we ignore buy signals in downward trending stocks. So let's have a look how this helps us in avoiding false signals. So we can see that we have taken 5-minute candlestick chart on Escorts, and as per our rule, Escort is an upward trending stocks. So we will ignore all the sell signals that is generated using this strategy. As we can see that the sell call was generated number 1 here and number 2 here. But as we followed the guidelines, we were lucky to not sell at the sell call, and this saved us from a false sell signal. So now let's see what is another point which we need to take care of. Now we will mark the range of the previous Supertrend breakout on 5-minute chart. It is important to note that we mark the high if we are looking for a buy entry and we mark sell if we are looking for a sell entry. So from our example, we are looking for an ideal buy entry as we have picked an upward trending stock. What it says is that we have to mark the high of the previous breakout of Supertrend level. So as we can see that this is the fresh breakout. The previous breakout was on the negative side, so we ignored it as it was against our guidelines. And we can see that the previous breakout high on this strategy was at around 885 levels on Escorts. So that is what we'll have to mark. So now once we have marked this level, what do we have to do next? Now on the 5-minute chart, if a super trend breakout occurs over the previous high, it qualifies for the entry process. What we mean by this is, if there is a super trend breakout over the previous highs, as we can see here that this breakout went over the previous highs. This is where we get into our next process, which is the ideal entry process. So after a stock checks off all our guidelines on the selection process, it qualifies for the entry process. For the entry process, we use 3-minute time frame. So what should be the important factors we use to determine an ideal entry point? We have taken a buy side entry example, so we will look at the buy side criteria. RSI should not be in overbought zone, that is above 70 levels. RSI between 50 to 65 levels at the time of entry is ideal. So now on the 5-minute charts, Escort qualifies for the entry process at 12 o'clock on 22nd of May. So let's have a look at the 3-minute chart. So as we can see at 12 o'clock, RSI is trading at 72 odd levels, which is in the overbought zone of above 70. So this does not check off our guideline and hence it should not be used as an ideal entry point. So our other guideline said that moves after 10 minutes post potential entry point should be ignored. So as per our guidelines, if in 10 minutes it does not qualify for our entry process, we should ignore that particular breakout. So Escorts, if we see that until 12:15 it was trading constantly over the overbought zones on RSI and hence this particular move was ignored. So now what should be the ideal entry point? So first it is important to understand that we will continue using 3-minute chart to determine an ideal entry point as long as the previous breakout high of super trend, that is 885 in this example, is maintained. So what is the ideal entry point? So from this super trend breakout, we can see that this breakout is over the highs of the previous breakout that we considered at 885 levels. So this breakout can be considered. So now we will have to check other parameters to verify whether this qualifies as an ideal entry point. Here, at the time of entry, buy side, as used in example, RSI should be less than 70 and volume weighted average price should be less than stock price, which means volume weighted average price should be below the stock price. For low risk traders, volume weighted average price is crucial confirmation. If all parameters are met but the stock is below volume weighted average price for buy trades, then you should ignore that entry point. Now from the charts we can see that this qualifies for an ideal entry point is because the volume weighted average price is also below the stock price and the RSI is also not in the overbought zone. So this can indicate that there is an upside move left in this counter which can come through. So if you follow all the guidelines we have mentioned in this video, you will be able to successfully ignore the false signals and also catch good trends. Alright, with this we conclude our today's intraday trading lesson. If you're a trader, you can follow us on Telegram, link is shared in the description below. Also do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. Happy trading!